आज पब्लिक पुलिस चैरिटेबल ट्रस्ट के उत्तर प्रदेश चैप्टर की बैठक जो है आगरा में होने जा रही है। उसमें चीफ जस्टिस फॉर्मर चीफ जस्टिस श्री के जी बालाकृष्णन आज यहाँ इसका चेयरमैनशिप करेंगे। वो पब्लिक पुलिस के चेयरमैन हैं। इसका उद्देश्य मुख्यतः है कि पब्लिक और एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन के बीच के गैप को कम करना और देश का हर नागरिक कहीं ना कहीं अपने देश के लिए पुलिसिंग करे, कहीं ना कहीं उसमें भागीदार बने, वो भी एक यहाँ का ऐसा सक्षम नागरिक बने जो कहीं ना कहीं अपना योगदान देश को दे। ऐसे उद्देश्यों से ये मंच बनाया गया है। और जो एक्सपीरियंस्ड अधिकारी हैं इसमें डिफेंस के जनरल से लेकर के जस्टिस भी हैं, आईएएस हैं, आईपीएस हैं, आईआरएस हैं, जो उनके एक्सपीरियंसेस का पूरा फ़ायदा लेकर के अगर हम कहीं ना कहीं समाज में कुछ चेतना ला सकते हैं, उसके प्रयास इसके माध्यम से किए।
Serious problem. So we can't say that the granting of bail should be liberalized. It is not possible because of the present condition. If once it is liberalized, the sort of incident recently happened in even the court premises. So we have to be little strict over the granting of bail. But at the same time, the trial court, and because of the pandemic situation prevailing in this country, large number of cases are pending, awaiting trial. That means these accused are in jail. So in India, it is 70% of the prisoners are under trial prisoners. Only 30% are the convicted persons. So that is the report. So to improve that, normally in all developed countries, only 11 to 15% under trial prisoners are in jail. Rest are the convicted persons. So India, the problem of under trial prisoners is a very big problem. Even despite a series of orders by the Supreme Court, that if the half the sentence he would have been imposed, if the case is proved against him, and they should be released on personal bond or release all these. But it is not very effectively monitored either by the court or by the prosecutor, and the accused is not able to avail those benefits because they come from a particular class which they are not guided properly by either by the legal assistants or lawyers. So we have to the extent possible, legal assistance is to be given to the under trial prisoners. Then they should be released at the earliest after completing the trial. So the state also should take care to invest the fairly large amount in starting new courts and appointing new officers. And not only that, these magistrates, judicial magistrates, and the civil judge junior division, senior division, and the chief judicial magistrate, they should be properly trained, and they should be trained in such a way they should be able to dispose of the case at the earliest. Then next to here the problem is some of the members of the legal profession, they seek frequent adjournments. Even recently, Chief Justice said that you should not grant frequent adjournments. But because of the various problems, the adjournments are granted and the case is being dragged on for a number of months. That is a serious problem. So these are all areas which requires reforms in the prisoners matters, in the jail reforms, the prisoners reforms, jail the facilities are some jail some are enjoying very high facilities, some are even not able to contact or meet their near relatives or to attend the family function. So that is also a matter which requires there should be a jail reforms and somebody should be able to guide them properly. Jail committees, usually there are jail committees to grant parole and these things. That should be regularly, the jails committee should meet and they should give advice, and based on their advice, they should be released occasionally, because they are all, the fact that they happen to be an accused or commit a crime at a particular state of mind doesn't mean that they are not human beings. They are human beings. They also got all feelings and affection, goodwill, and near relatives. They should not be completely out of their family surroundings. They should also feel comfortable, and these are all various effects. So it's a larger perspective. Public police is trying to help the police. Police is also working under great stress. They have to work for more than 8 hours in a day. So they don't sometimes, for urgent family necessity also, they are not even, they get leave, because there is no other alternative officer to provide them to so as somebody else A be granted leave so that C could be posted in his place. So this is these are all the measures. So you can you want any clarification or anything, you can ask.
Sir, as you know, the number of crime cases are increasing day by day in India. So how public or police, your NGO can help that control in that cases?
We cannot control this is an NGO. An NGO cannot control the crime rate. If the law and order situation is good, there is a proper enforcement of law in the country, then somebody is committed crime and he is brought to book immediately, and within a reasonable time he is convicted, and then the people have a whatever you say, there may be a fear conscience in all minds of the people. So they may, then the crime rates could be reduced if the law and order situation is good. So how to enforce law and order situation? Police should be efficient. The police administration should be efficient. We have to help the police. Public should cooperate. We cannot go inside into the police and do this and that. We cannot. There is a separate a sort of unit. We cannot go and you do this and that. They will not tolerate. It is not possible. But we can make public opinion so that the police would themselves get reformed. So that once the police reforms, they are active, alert, and conscious of the larger interests of the people. Then the law and order situation will improve. When the law and order situation improves, the crime rate will gradually decrease. If there is an efficient police, efficient court system, efficient administration, the law and order situation. That is why in Western countries there are less crimes. Why in India more crimes, or some of the states are more crimes. Some states are less crimes. So it is all depends on various external factors, not by the nature of the people.